Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can ask Microsoft Copilot in 2026 to summarize a conversation you have had. For example, if it was a longer conversation and now we would like to have a summary of that in a few key points. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Microsoft Copilot and log into your account to access your chat history. Click into the given chat. Click into these three dots next to it and select Summarize in a page. Wait for the page creation to be finished. That may of course take a moment depending on the conversation length. So let us give it a moment. And after a brief moment, your page will be ready, so that you can view it by clicking into this button, and that's it. You will see the summary here, for example. That's it. Now you can of course edit this if you like. You can delete the page here in the top right corner. You can navigate back to the conversation, or here in the top left you can use various text formatting tools. And for example, as you can see, you can even edit the summary. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.